As we approach the dawn of a new year, are you ready for a fresh career start? Then here's what you have to do. Step 1. Begin by checking our LinkedIn, website, Recruity and Careers Hub for exciting opportunities. Step 2. Submit your CV and we'll quickly match it with our job requirement. Step 3. If there's a match, we will reach out to you for a quick phone screening. Step 4. You will have to pass 2 technical interviews leading to the final HR interview. Step 5. Successfully navigate all interviews and we will conduct a quick referral check. Step 6. Congratulations! You still receive your offer letter. And finally, welcome on board. Embark on your journey with us through seamless onboarding. And there you are, officially a clouder. So join us and let's grow together.